part of the Dickinson County Trails system. It's full of native wildflowers and pollinators. We planted 17 new swamp white oak trees, 2,500 ornamental grasses, over 500 bulbs, and 1,700 perennials.
Place right here at the corner, we have 17 trees planted. We planted 17 trees for us and 14,007 plants. Those are native wildflowers, grasses, bushes, and these flowers now I've noticed in those that they planted in our area. I counted 6 different kinds of bees when the flowers were there. They're just beautiful. And they're coming. And every 1 bite out of every 3 bites of food that we eat, each of us eat, has been pollinated. That means the world's food supply, 1/3 of the world's food supply must be pollinated. The individual that came up with this imagined idea loves trees as well as all of nature, but especially trees. And so I would just like to thank that person for having the imagination to come up with such a wonderful idea to add all of these things to us that bring us joy, these native plants, native wildflowers, grasses, bushes, shrubs, and the trees. A great tree hugger. That's what this person is. And are we great